What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Josh. We're going to go over our friend Polygon. Currently, we're sitting at $1.23, down almost 10% on the day. We're sitting on a market cap of $8.11 billion. 24-hour volume is $1.10 billion. Guys, if you're new to Crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app, my favorite app for investing, and you can receive incredible interest on staking your coins with Crypto Earn. So let's hop into Matic, guys. So we're here on the 4-hour time frame. I talked about the possibility of a double bottom forming, but unfortunately we lost support and we sold off rather quickly here. So I'm just going to take this out. So we came right down to that level of support I had dropped in here. It's here on this chart here at about $1.11. So there's a couple of patterns I want to make you guys aware of here on the daily. One of them is a falling wedge. So if you were to see us, I think it's a little bit more unlikely, as we might see Bitcoin go through an ABC correction, but it's always a possibility, guys. If you were to see us come back up and we broke this level of resistance and we came up and we broke this previous high right here, then we could, it's a possibility that we could head up to about $1.84. But there is another pattern at play, which is a head and shoulders. So you have your left shoulder here, you would have your head, and you would have your right shoulder. So if we break this neckline, just gonna quickly move this over here. If we were to come up and break this neckline, your breakdown target for Matic, it's a pretty severe breakdown target. It would bring Matic down basically to the previous swing low, all the way down at about 63 cents. So I wanted to pop over to the weekly chart. So you can see here on the weekly, we are holding the 20 EMA. And that head and shoulders plays out. We may not come all the way down to 63 cents. Of course, it's a possibility. But we have a pretty strong level of support here for Matic at about 78 cents. And it also lines up with the 55 EMA on the weekly. But for Matic to come all the way down to that price level, I do think Bitcoin would have to come all the way down to 37.8K, which is a possibility here, guys. However, if we do see a bounce from this level, I'll always give you your levels of resistance. $1.20, that $1.20, $1.21 level that we've just been covering for months, and we just can't seem to escape it. And then we have $1.30 as your next level of resistance, and then all the way up here at about $1.54. Just take this out. If we were to see that bounce back to the upside here. So I would just watch out for these two patterns on the daily. The falling wedge, let me put this back on the daily. The falling wedge as well as the head and shoulders. If the neckline is broken, then the head and shoulders can play out. And if we bounce here and we break this high, I would like to see this high be broken, get back above the golden ratio, then we could see this falling wedge play out. But we still have our bearish divergence on the daily, which hasn't come all the way down yet to oversold. So I think further correction is a little more likely, but this is crypto, guys. There's always the possibility of it going the other way. And if it does, your target for your rising wedge is at about $1.82. So that's it for Matic, guys. Shout out to the Discord. We have incredible members, including WTE. He's an awesome member. He's always posting chart patterns. In this one, he's talking about the DXY and Bitcoin and some bullish and bearish scenarios. So if you want to stay ahead of the game as a trader, it's the price of a coffee, and you can sign up through the Patreon. Guys, I trade Polygon on Bybit, my favorite platform for leverage trading. They also have spot trading available, and you can receive up to $600 in bonuses just for signing up through my referral. You can follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.